Can you believe that's a closure wig? Just go ahead and tell me the truth. No, you can't. Hi, ladies and gentlemen, and everybody in between. I am back with somebody else's hair, and guess what? It is wine and wigs day. Clink, 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 clink. How are y'all doing today? Hopefully you're doing well. I'm actually drinking Martinelli's apple juice because I drank yesterday, and I'm not gonna drink today because I'm a responsible adult. You here for this? Are y'all ready? You here for this? You here for this right here? You see this? One of them, I got a double scalp today. That's what I'm featuring. Double scalp. Okay? No glue. Beginner wig install. That's what we're doing today. We are almost to 100K. Oh my God. Baby, this has been a long time coming. So if you could please get me there faster, because I feel like I'm like this. Please subscribe and hit the post notification bell just so you can see every single time I post, because I'm coming to you every single week with brand new wigs, brand new videos, all types of stuff. Please. I ain't too proud of beg, girl. I've never been, okay? Now, let's go ahead and get into this hair. I want to say thank you to Clyde Hair for providing this wig to me and sponsoring this video. I mean, I'm gonna let y'all know right now, this wig is a super duper easy beginner wig install. I'm gonna go ahead and get into all of it, but let's go ahead and get into the details. This wig on my head is a Wear and Go pre-cut lace 4 by 6.75. That's a really precise number. Lace closure. It is in the Jerry Curly texture. It's in the reddish brown color. Can you believe that's a closure wig? Just go ahead and tell me the truth. No, you can't. And when you pop the hood on this wig, you can see that it comes with, how many combs? How many combs did this have? Okay, girl, I had to feel around. 3 combs on the inside, no adjustable straps in the back, but it does come with a piano key elastic band. This wig also comes with a silicone band that allows the wig to kind of attach to your skin without flopping around in the back. Also, this wig comes with a breathable cap, which is still perfect for these summer months. Girl, you can get right into this root. Girl, I'm scratching my scalp right now. Oh, when I pulled this wig out of the bag, I gotta tell you, I was a little bit nervous. So I was really interested to see how she would work out. And baby, I have to tell you, she didn't disappoint, because look, I mean, I'm just telling you, look, we're gonna get into my full review on how I applied this wig. We're gonna go ahead and get into all those details, and then I'll be back at the very end with my final thoughts and a coupon code. Okay, y'all, let's go ahead and get started. Now, this is what the wig looks like straight out of the pack, girl. We're gonna go ahead and plop her on. Y'all know my base, especially for the Wear and Go wigs, is a wig grip and a wig cap. Boom. So let's go ahead and pop her on. Now, I'm a little bit nervous. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Okay, let's see what she's looking like. Oh, not too shabby. The hairline is cute though, but this hairline is straight across. It doesn't have that zigzag thing, and I prefer a zigzag closure. And the lace is a little bit light, but we know how to make this thing work. We know how to make her look cute. I'm gonna go ahead and tint the lace first. Okay, so in order to tint the lace, now you can either use your makeup or you can use a lace tint. I'm a lace tint girly. I like, you know, just a little bit. I don't like texture. I like, you know what I'm saying? Makeup don't ever work for me. I don't ever blend it right. I don't know if I don't know what I'm doing, but I don't ever blend makeup right. It always ends up being too light, too dark, too powdery, too creamy. Like, I can't find the medium. So I'm gonna take my lace tint spray, and I'm just gonna go ahead and spray it onto the lace on the inside to get this color to match. We're also going to take a brush, and we're going to blend the lace tint into the lace. Then I'm gonna take a blow dryer and blow dry it on high and warm to get this color to be set in. We baking in color, okay? Just so we got this nice golden brown on this thing. So while that wig is drying, I forgot to do my baby hairs. I need to do like the fake baby hairs down here. Now, I wonder how that's gonna work out, because my hair is not auburn. So, or like that reddish color, burgundy color. So I don't know how it's gonna work out, but I guess we'll see. So I'm gonna take my baby hair brush and my She Is Bomb Collection wax stick, and I'm just gonna go ahead and lay down some baby hairs here on the side. I think it makes the wig look a little bit more realistic, but I could pull out some edges, but no. I don't be doing that. It's supposed to be wear and go, not wear and show. You know what I'm saying? We got a little bit of baby hair. I feel like that's enough. It's not gonna match the hair anyway. So Let's see if the lace tinted the way it was supposed to tint. It had tinted, babe. This is pretty though. What y'all think? This is pretty. Oh, this is what it's looking like now. Baby, the way this hairline is eating. Oh yes. Oh yes. So, how am I gonna do this? I'll pull the wig back. Am I gonna wax stick it? I think I'll take a little hot comb to it. So, I'm just gonna use the back of the hot comb because I don't actually wanna straighten this. I just wanna move it back a little bit. And then I'm probably just gonna put some gel on it. You know? Taking my hot comb, my Red by Kiss hot comb. This is turned all the way up high, okay? Real hot. And I'm just gonna flatten in the areas that need to be it needs flattation. Let's pull this on forward and see what it's giving. I feel like it looked better before because that hairline was kind of giving a little bit. I think I'm gonna start with the baby hair. So let's pull this hair back. I never do a midpoint baby hair, but I'm gonna need to do a midpoint baby hair because it's kind of flipping up just a little bit. I don't like a hovering lace. Pull this on back. Let's see, let's take a little bit of baby hairs here. I feel like you can do without baby hairs, but I think I'd be needing a little bit of edges for my curly wigs. Like it needs to be something up there. I'm gonna take my Annie shears. These are the stainless steel ice brand. These are actually really good shears. They cut very, very well. Like so, like this. Make it simple, Dimple. I'm gonna take just this hair right here. And hopefully I don't ruin nothing, but I kind of just, do y'all see what I'm trying to do? I want to swoop this down. We'll see. I'll do it on this side, and if that failed, then I got another side. I got a good side. This is my good side anyway. I'm gonna take my Got To Be Glued gel, and I'm just gonna go ahead and lay down the baby hair. Let's see. This Got To Be Glued gel is so old. Can like Got To Be Glued gel expire? I don't know why I'm asking y'all, like you can answer me, but does it? Okay, I'm just gonna lay down this baby hair. Ooh. I don't want it to be like a big baby hair because it just don't look right on me. Shout out to the big baby hair girls. I like to take a towel and just dab off some of the excess because my lace tint kind of bleeds a little bit. So, okay, and I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. The hairline has been melting for like 10 minutes, girl. I started cooking. I done forgot this wig was on my head. So we're gonna go ahead and take this off. I wanna see what the hairline is looking like. Come on, sis. Don't play with me. Okay. Oh, it's a little gelled down a little bit. Let me just, okay. But y'all see that hairline? Get out of town. Okay, let me take this hair down and see what it looks like because I still haven't seen it. How pretty is that? Like y'all see that hairline? I know y'all see what I'm talking about. Like how pretty is this? Like girl, you could be done. Now y'all know I'm not done because we got to get these curls together. But before we do that, I want to try a bun real quick. I was thinking while I was cooking, I was like, ooh, I want to see what a bun look like because this hairline is eating. And if the hairline eats as much as I think it's eating, then I need to get a bun together. But first, let me go ahead and get this part. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my MAC NC50 stick foundation. This is like my exclusive, I don't know why I said exclusive, but this is exclusively for my wig and my parts. Cause y'all know I don't do the ball cap method. If you're doing the ball cap method with a wear and go wig, girl, kudos to you. Can't be me, couldn't be me, wouldn't be me. I wanna do like a top knot bun real quick. Let's see, can I do? I wanna see what that look like. Ooh, the cap's a little big, so. Can I pull this hair down right here? Yeah, I think I'll pull this down like a little bit. But I wanna see what these curls is looking like because, what? Okay, oh, this is pretty. But first, let me clip it back. Can I clip it? Like I could just wear it like this. Like y'all see this? This is like without any mousse or anything on the hair. This is very pretty. I feel like it's giving Janet, like Janet Jackson, you know? Oh yeah, girl. Oh, this is what Janet was wearing back in the day. She was wearing Nowhere and Go. I don't know about that side though. I don't know how I feel about this side. Okay, let me, don't worry about the back, girl, because the back, my head is so small. Like, I need smaller wig caps. That's the only thing for me. There we go. Come on, antennas. Take my... Ooh. Y'all see this? Hold on. Y'all see this? Y'all know I love a bun. Look at this bun. Adorbs. Now the back don't be backing. Okay, the back don't back. But the front, like, I think you can put like a headband over it if you're a little bit insecure about this side. But at least in the summertime, because it's still hot, you can put your wig up. Y'all tell me what you think. Do you like it? We're done with playing with this little bun and we need to get this hair together. We need to get it moussed up, okay? So, let me take this down. Oh my God. Oh, girl, I love to release my scalp. Oh my God, that bun is just so tight. I actually don't even want to trim it. I love the shape of this hair. Like, I'm just gonna trim. I'm not cutting, I'm trimming. And I know I say this every time, but I'm for real this time. I just need to get these ends down here. I think up at the top, I'm gonna leave it alone. Ooh. But I just needed to get a little bit of the ends, like a little bit. Next, I guess we're gonna add the mousse because I really don't wanna cut this too much. I really don't. I really don't, as I proceed to cut. I really don't. Y'all see how these ends look? Like, just a little dab will do you. Just a little bit of a dab. That was pretty. I feel like I did something. Like, I don't feel like, I feel like I did something. You can't tell me I didn't do nothing. Okay, so next, I need to clean up my work area because baby, this desk is in full disarray, honey. All I need to do next is add the mousse and we're set to go. And I think for this one, I'm not gonna be heavy on the mousse on the roots because I love how this looks up here. We're gonna use some mousse on this wig because she needs it. Like, does she need it? No, but does she need it? Yes. I'm gonna use two mousses or two types of mousse. Mousses? That don't sound right. Meese? I'm gonna use two meese. I'm gonna use the Dew Mousse Def Texture Foam, and I'm also gonna use the Shea Moisture Coconut Hibiscus Frizz-Free Curl Mousse. Basically, I'm running out of this, so if I run out, I'm gonna switch to this. So, and I'm going to use my trusty Evolve 572 brush, and we're going to comb through and detangle. Let me move this out of the view, girl. It's trying to take the shine away from me. I'm gonna use my Evolve 572 brush to comb through the curls and detangle them and clump them together. So I'm only gonna work in top and bottom sections. So girl, I'm really not trying to do too much. I'm really not. I have a problem with doing too much, but I'm not doing that today. So I'm really surprised by the hairline because that is a straight across cut. But it's cute. Like, look, like look. Okay, girl, I had to go eat. That's why my lip gloss is gone, but we about to just put on some mousse anyway. So we're gonna take the Shea Moisture mousse and add it all over the hair. I kind of like this style. Like, babes, I want to wear this. You know what I'm saying? It's so cute. Just add it all up and through the hair. Then I'm gonna take my Evolve 572 brush and just brush it. Oh, got mousse all up in my face. Ooh, y'all see these ends? Very pretty. I'm wondering if I should go up here, but I think I'm gonna leave this part because I just kind of want it to be big. I just want my ends to be like really pretty and juicy. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side, and then we're gonna dry it with our Dyson blow dryer with the diffuser on high and cool. Wait, no, high and warm, because we're trying to get this dry real fast. And then I'll show y'all the finished look, baby. This is gonna be quick, simple, easy, yeah. This is the finished look, and oh my goodness, like y'all see this? Okay, so I came into this thinking, okay girl, the way they cut this lace, I don't know if it's gonna work for you because I'm used to the little zigzag, but the straight across is giving, like, come on, like really, like for real, and baby, it's glueless. Where's my comb? Because y'all know I gotta do the thing. I gotta cut up. Oh no, it's a sticky. Girl, the baby hair is over here keeping it secure, but look. Y'all see that? I didn't have to lay down the lace or anything for it to look like this. Girl, I could just pop her on off tonight and then we're done. I may rip out a baby hair too. Look at this baby hairs. These baby hairs are so cute. I'm like in love with them. I think I'm gonna start doing my baby hairs like that on curly wigs. As far as like the cap, it's a little bit big, but like look at the back too. Look at the curls. Y'all see these curls? Really, I don't have anything bad to say. The cap is a little bit big. I do like the straight across cut. I'm not really a fan of though, because if I couldn't get the lace tinted right, I feel like it would look weird. But it still looks really, really good. Like I can't lie to y'all. As far as shedding, it did not shed a lot at all. This is definitely great for beginners. Super easy to apply. All you need is some water, a mousse for the hair, and everything else I really you really could just plop her on and go. Water, mousse, lace tint, makeup, something for the lace, and baby, you're set up. Okay, y'all let me know what you think about this unit down below. Do you like it? Do you like the color? Do you like the curl? What do you think about these baby hairs? Girl, you let me know down below. I want to say thank you again to Clai Hair for providing this wig to me and sponsoring this video. I will leave a link to the unit as well as my coupon code down below. That coupon code will get you right, okay? So check out the coupon code, check out the information in the description box, click around, friends. Look around, girl, make yourself at home. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you all. I hope you enjoyed this video. Y'all leave me suggestions for any sort of wigs that you'd like me to review in the future. That's everything. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.